Set to arrive in roughly 2 months, the Q9 is expected to replace the Q7 and Q8 as Audi's new flagship SUV, going head-to-head with rivals like the BMW X7 and Mercedes-Benz GLS. Inside, the cabin is dominated by Audi's triple-screen MMI panoramic display system. The center console includes two 100W wireless charging pads along with dual USB-C fast charging ports. Buyers will be able to choose from premium trim finishes such as leather, carbon fiber, and wood accents. Every seating row features power adjustment. Front occupants get heated and ventilated seats with massage and memory functions, while the third row seats can fold electronically for added convenience. The second row is designed with family practicality in mind, offering support for 3 child seats at once. Optional power-operated doors and connected smart features are also expected to improve accessibility. Audi's panoramic glass roof will feature illuminated panels with adjustable transparency across 9 separate sections. According to Audi, the advanced glass technology is effective enough that a traditional sunshade is no longer necessary. Seat upholstery choices will include fabric, alpaca fiber, Dinamica microfiber, leatherette combinations, and premium Napa leather, all available in multiple interior color themes. Although Audi has not officially confirmed engine options yet, the Q9 is likely to share several powertrains from the wider Volkswagen Group lineup. Expected choices include twin-turbocharged V6 petrol engines, a V8 option, and plug-in hybrid technology. More details are expected to surface over the next few months ahead of the SUV's global debut. Local market availability is anticipated sometime in 2027.